Good evening, everybody. Market up or down? The market was down. So we're looking to buy some stuff. Let's check out the brokerage. Whoa, we sold two. The market does not have to go up to make money. I'll say it every single time that happens. It's a lie you've been told. And you can see if you have a strategy that has an edge, you can consistently pull cash out of the market. So let's update our spreadsheet. We have techs for 49.58. All right. And we have EBIX, 2 shares, 652. Not the biggest amount of cash flow, but we are selling when the market is down, which is awesome. All right. IVZ filled at a 13 and a nickel. And we have that in there. So we're good to go. What is the next step of our trading plan? The market was down, right? So we need to go through all these from smallest dollar amount to largest dollar amount and see what we can buy. First one being IVZ. Now we have $74. That is something to keep in mind. But that's to make you feel really good. We're selling on the market's down. The market was down pretty big today. Definitely under on this one. 1280 is the closing print. All right, so we need to make sure we cancel our sell order. All right. We're going to buy one. First trigger's the second. We have all of our day trades available. 1280. We're going to sell two of them. Good till cancel with extended hours, all limit orders. We need to figure up our sell price. So if you add these up, divide by 2, that will get us our average. But it's also right down here. Then I'm going to take this number times 1.01 and get a 1% sell target. So if you need to pause the video, please do it, but please figure it out for yourself here. And ship it. Bought 1280. That's what we like. And it's late as hell. So we're good there. Next one is VGR. Now, none of these were on the 30 RSI, but we just check them every day. RTX. You would always rather buy one that you already have and get some alpha through averaging down than buy a totally new position. Your brain will actually like buying a new position more because you get endorphins that get released when you freaking buy one and sell it immediately. It feels really good. But eventually you just get a bunch of super small positions. And that's not really what we're going for. We want to make the most money. We want to turn the whole account over, not just $5 of it. You know what I mean? So, nothing. MTB and TKR. Nada. And nada. So what's the next step on our trading plan? Screener, right? We still have money available. $61. So there's no way we should just be calling it in. Now there may not be anything on the scanner, but you should at least take a look. Next, positive. Alright. Wow, there's a bunch. The market was down, right? First things we want to do is take a look for stocks that are in our universe. J&J is one, but it is $152. We only have $60. So we don't want to do under 50 because we could do one higher than that. Lowe's is in our universe, but again, it's more than $60. And then there we go. So at that point, they're all about the same to me. So if you want to sort them by smallest price or something like that, by all means, go ahead. But I just start at the top. Asset management, which doesn't seem like much of a thing. It's not anything crazy, but I like the dividend. And I had bad earnings and the stock went down. So that's not really that surprising. Here you have, looks like a dividend getting ready to kick in too. So this one meets all the criteria, right? We're under 15 PE, reasonable debt, and it's going to make money in the future, they say. 33.86 for APAM. I mean, you could be over analytical with it or whatever, but when you have an abundance mindset, this is a $33.86, and I'm going to have millions. So I'll just find another $33 somewhere. You know what I mean? It ain't no big deal. This ain't the last $33 I'm ever going to have. And it will create, first triggers a second, it will create cash flow. So you don't want to be careless with what you buy. We have our guidelines, right? The company makes money. And good till canceled, extended hours. And it pays out cash flow. So it's a cash flow producing asset. And you can only go so wrong. So 33.86 times 1.01 gets our sell target. If you need to pause the video, please do that. Good till cancel, extended hours, one in, one out. Bada bing, bada boom. $27 left. Okay. I'm just going down the list here. I'm looking at the price column here. 27 is all we got. EBIX is the next one. And of course it fits. So we'll just do a little double check. We got lucky today on it. It's got awesome financials, but it's admittedly not a super high quality business. 603 for EBIX. I'm pretty confident I'm going to make a ton of money on this stock in the main account. I am pretty confident. 603. This is pretty volatile. And for all of those folks that are scared to death to lose all of their day trades, oh my goodness, what will we do if we don't have any day trades? You're just gonna have to get over it, okay? We all grow up eventually. Day trades will come back too. They are abundant too, even if you're under the PDT like this account is. They'll roll off just 5 rolling days, man. It ain't no big deal. And we're probably going to buy a stock that's more expensive. And you think, well, why would you use it on the smaller one? Why not just use it on the bigger one? You start overthinking like that, man, you just got to get moving. You just got to get to work. You spend all your time thinking, you'll think yourself right out of taking action. And action is where it's at. So there we go for EBIX. And we want to double check here. IBZ already filled. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3. So for the rest of these, we'll just do buy orders. We have $21 left, and we'll see if there's anything up here for 21 bucks. Next one down, extra space. Who doesn't need extra storage space? Oh, it's 112. The one was silent. Besco, that's the one we bought. Alright, so we can't afford none of this other stuff. Alright, so prices are all over here. So that concludes the movement. Let's do a little big picture. As always, it is emotional when you're new to trading, and it can get scary when the market goes down. That's why it's important to keep the big picture perspective. And you can see we're still above the 200. We're still trending up on a long-term basis by definition. But we're also 7% from the recent highs. So we are not buying at the top. We still have a little dry powder. It doesn't seem like much with $21, but on a $700 account, that's almost 3%. So we still have a little bit of cash left. We have a lot of options on the screener. And as the account gets bigger, we'll be able to buy all of the things on the screener. And I'm looking forward to that day. Again, we need to update the total cash flow. We didn't do that. We have 302. Actually made pretty good on that one. So we're getting there. We beat the previous month, but really it's quarter over quarter, so we still got a ways to go, but we got some time too and a lot of money in the market. So this stuff starts flipping off, we're going to be just fine. Let's take a look on the P&L here. This one's only down a quarter. Oh, we just bought that. It's already down. Raytheon Tech. There we go. That one's only down 50 cents, you know. And we've got this one, 4 shares of this one getting close as well. So we've got some things that are possible to go off. And yep, I think everything looks good. I think we're good to go. And for those of you that are junkies like me, I'll see you on the next video. But I hope y'all have a great day. And we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.